I'm trying to touch the states this time. 2021. Yeah, show him I can still rap though.
Hello! Girl. Tasha has left the building, baby, with the sleigh. Hello! Okay, so this is a special video. This is with my sis Beautiebymark. Guys, girl, you see her? She bomb. Guys, I'm telling you, she everything to me. You know, if I put someone here on my platform, they're bomb. Okay, she does hair, makeup. She's an essential worker, and she be consistent. She's bombdiggy.com. She just reached 3K, so guys, congratulate her. You know, I do not put people on my platform that I do not like. Okay? Okay? If you are on my platform, I like you. If you like me, you're gonna like her. Please check my sis Beautiebymark. Congratulate her at her 3K, sis. She deserves more because she's bomb. Guys, she asked Lil me to collaborate with her, and I was like, sure, to celebrate her 3K because she's bomb. Alright? Celebrate my sis. Go over there. Say Tasha sent me. Whoop whoop. East side, west side, nah, okay. But guys, really, Beautiebymark is everything to me. She's super beautiful, she's super consistent, and she's amazing. Okay, so yeah, guys, please check my sis Beautiebymark. She is everything to me. All right, so we are here to talk about this unit. Like, baby, I'm everything, okay. We will be back. Hold on, I'm gonna show you how I got this looking like this. And we will be back. We will be back. We will be back to talk about it. We will be back.
I had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all those lonely nights and heartbreaks. And I feel misplaced without you. Why don't we go back to? Why don't we go back to? Never wanted to end it like we did. I guess shit happens for a reason, but it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to? Why don't we go back to? Honestly, I'm open wide. I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to? Why don't we go back to your bedroom? I had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all my slip-ups and mistakes. And I'm just pointless without you. Why don't we go back to? Why don't we go back to? Never wanted to end things like we did. I'm sorry for all those promises I made you that I couldn't keep. But it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to? Why don't we go back to? Honestly, I'm open wide. I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to? Why don't we go back to your bedroom?
I can do this with my eyes closed. It's too easy. It's too easy. I can do this with my eyes closed. It's too easy. Boy, all that like Keenan. Still got crack, they fiendin'. Flow still hot like Phoenix. Shine so bright, I'm gleaming. This off top, I'm tweaking. Fresh out the rat like Neiman. And I'm still tryna fight my demons. Cause we all gotta act like Tina. That's why I gotta ride with the Nina. Outside, it's a war going on. Maybe put my hands on my head like the Macarena. They want you walking on board like chemo. And give an F to you like John Cena. Putting blood on the brand new Beamer. Tryna earn they stripes like Adidas. You get cold when you ride with the heater. It'll turn you to a dog like a keto. And expose to a cat like a cheetah. They smoke my partner like reefer. Dímelo porque yo no entiendo. Mi gente must really need Jesus. They shed real blood. I never seen the crypt and I believe it. It's too easy. Too easy. I can do this with my eyes closed. It's too easy. It's too easy. I can do this with my eyes closed. It's too easy.
Okay, guys, so this is, guys, I had to bring the box because, guys, you guys would sleep on Sensational. I told you Sensational was my favorite wig brand in America, okay? The Sensational started slacking. I said, no, Sensational, I still believe in you. I still believe in Sensational. I know everybody was Team Ultra, but I said, nah, guys, I've been on YouTube forever. I know Sensational got this. Guys, Sensational. Sensational. Okay. So this is the Butter Lace Honey Peace Caramel. I thought this was the same color on the stock card, but I guess not. So, but this one's darker. This is Honey Peace Caramel. Money Peace Caramel. This don't look like Money Peace Caramel. This look like dark chocolate. I'm just saying. Whatever. But, guys, this unit is everything. I honestly did mad extra work I didn't have to do. I did a lot of work. I did pluck it because I am extra, and you know, like, you didn't even have to do anything. I'm telling you, this hair is perfect. Perfect. This is literally really a plop and go. Okay, the only con, I promise you, I did put the Herrreee wax stick because there was a little bit of flyaways. I'm telling you, I'm beautiful. Like, I'm beautiful. This hair, and oh yeah, and the part was light skin. But besides that, this unit is everything. There is no cons besides those two. Is the little flyaways here and there. It was like a little bit, like, and honestly it was just me. And the light skin part after that, baby. Guys, I'm telling you, Ebony Line has it on sale right now, okay? I had to buy two before you guys take it because this is everything. The parting, just the layering, the color. Go ahead. You can go click off. Go ahead. Okay. Guys, I appreciate my sis Beautiebymark for collaborating with little me. And you're from Beautiebymark's channel. I hope you like me. Stay a while. You know those commercials? But I appreciate you guys watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.
Shine so bright, I'm gleaming. This off top, I'm tweaking. Fresh out the rat like Neiman. And I'm still tryna fight my demons. Cause we all gotta act like Tina. That's why I gotta ride with the Nina. Outside, it's a war going on. Maybe put my hands on my head like the Macarena. They want you walking on board like chemo. And give an F to you like John Cena.